The 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, keyless entry, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, premium sound system, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.